Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, we'll explore two important features, using Live Mode to present designs in a client's actual garden, and applying slope detection to plan for uneven ground. For the best results with Live Mode, try to use it in a real outdoor garden with plenty of light. Make sure your camera lens is clean and uncovered. Let's get started with Live Mode. First, tap Change View and select Live. Gently move your device around to scan the area. You can move your camera to adjust the pool's placement. When you're happy with the position, tap Place. You can still adjust your pool after placing it. To rotate it, use the rotation slider, or drag the circular arrow in the center of the pool to rotate it smoothly with your movement. Inside the rotation arrow, you'll also find the Move control. Press and drag it with your finger to place the pool more precisely. Use gentle movements for the best control. On each side of the pool, you'll also see an arrow. Simply drag these arrows to adjust the size of the pool. In Live Mode, you can walk around the pool with your device to view it from every angle and see how it looks in real life. When placing your pool, look for the Hill Mode button in the upper right corner. Tap it to design for above-ground pools or uneven terrain. Once activated, you'll see an altitude slider. Use this to raise the pool for an above-ground pool design, or adjust it to fit perfectly onto sloped or hilly ground in the garden. Using Hill Mode ensures your design matches the real landscape, whether you're creating an elevated pool or fitting it to a sloped garden. For the best accuracy with Hill Mode, we recommend using a device with a LiDAR sensor, like an iPad Pro. While in Live Mode, you can continue designing. Update the pool or add accessories directly here to refine the visualization alongside the client's garden. You can also place additional objects into your live design. Browse your collection and select any item. It will appear right in the real-world view. Then, drag the object with your finger to your desired position and confirm the placement with a check mark. After an object is placed, you can still change its location. Just tap on the object in the live view to select it and move it to a new spot. When you open the effects panel, you'll find additional settings to enhance your presentation. The first is the Time of Day slider. This accurately replicates the real trajectory of the sun in your specific time zone. As you adjust it, you show exactly how sunlight will travel across the pool and garden throughout the day. To go even further, you can change the season. This shifts the sun's path to match how it would appear in summer or winter, giving you and your client the most realistic preview of your pool possible for any time of year. Finally, don't miss the human detection feature in the camera. This allows you to take photos with your client in the shot, turning a simple snapshot into a powerful sales image. We'll explore this and professional photo techniques in our next tutorial. And that's how you use Live Mode to present and refine designs right in your client's garden. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to take professional photos of your designs, use human detection, and enhance images for powerful presentations. We'll see you in the next video.